I've never created an app in my life before. This was a fun experience. I love that AI opens doors. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria. In this video, I'm going to be sharing how I created an app with no coding experience. So let's get right into it now. So just a little bit about my background. I have an industrial engineering background. So if you know the task that industrial engineers do, we do not code. We do nothing with coding. The most coding skill that we have is SQL. That's mostly for like data analytics, and it has nothing to do with creating an app. It's not like the sophisticated programming language that you need to learn, like C#, C++, and all of that. So I created an app. I was working with a group of students to do a research document, and we wanted to create an app that allows people to jot their ideas and also connect people to aspiring entrepreneurs. I'm going to walk you through how I created this app in less than 10 minutes. I took some time to research the different kind of no-coding sites that I could use, and one of the ones that I found was GoodBarber. I think Bubble is another good one, but I didn't want to use Bubble because I feel like Bubble, you have to create every single interface, and I didn't have time. I wanted to create something in less than 3 weeks, and for me to create something in less than 3 weeks, I wanted something that was very easy to navigate. I feel like GoodBarber is very easy to use. It also has different design options depending on what you want to use it for, and finally I think it's very affordable. I mean, I used the free version. I didn't even pay for it, so I recommend GoodBarber if you're trying to find something quick, but if you want to do something more long-term, then Bubble is very good for you. They have different extensions that you can use. You can connect to ChatGPT, you can connect to Word, you can connect to Excel. So depending on what you want to do, you also have to be careful about using all these third parties, because it means your ideas could be copied. I mean, it is what it is at the end of the day. It's free for a reason, it's easier for a reason, and hopefully we get to a world where all of these things are just easily accessible. When you go on GoodBarber, you just click on create an app, and the good thing about GoodBarber is they have a lot of templates for you already created. So depending on what you want to do, if it's like a church website, you can do that. If it's a restaurant, if you have a business, you can create a website. You can create an app. School events, non-profit, whatever it is, you can actually create it, and it's super easy. You can select a template to start. So for instance, let's say I was a tutor and I wanted to create an app for tutoring. I can click on that and then just hit next, and you can choose a theme. So GoodBarber is so easy in the sense that you can just select what theme you want to do. Of course, you have to consider colors, you have to consider the ambience, the kind of feeling that you want to give people when they go onto your website or to your app. And yeah, so let's assume we're just creating this one, and next, and then next, and then you can give your app a name. For example, let's assume that I'm training people on PMP. I can just give it PMP training, and then go next. Name your project. I continue with this account, and I feel like GoodBarber is very easy to use, guys. Like, try it out and let me know if you're trying to create an app. And then it takes you to this page. So it's so easy to use in the sense that you can design the app, you can choose colors, you can change colors depending on what you want. You can even change specific colors. Let's continue without saving. You can change fonts, you can change whatever, and then you can go to the structure. The structure is more like, how do you want, what are the things like you want on the side. You can add a section, you can delete a section. If you want to edit specific things, for example, this is the home page. If you want to change the outlook of it, you can go click on home, and then you can select what you want to. You can add, you can delete. You can go to videos if you want to edit specific things in the videos. You can edit the design, you can also edit the content. If I choose to edit the content, I can delete all of these things, add my own videos. Like, I tested the app. Obviously, I asked people to test the app as well. Make sure you can create an account, make sure you can use ChatGPT. I faced so many issues, guys. Even though it was super easy, I also faced so many issues. It's One of the most important part of this app that I wanted to create was note taking. So I wanted something where people could write, and they didn't have this feature yet. They said it's still in the lab, so I couldn't do anything with that. That was one of the issues that I faced. Another issue that I faced was with ChatGPT. I didn't know I had to connect an API system and pay like another $5 to get the system. So I had to kind of teach myself all of these things, which was a challenge to me. To publish the app in App Store or Google Store, that's a different process entirely that I did not do personally. We're just doing a demo, something quick, something sharp. And besides, if we were to create an app like this for something that we were using it for, we wouldn't go through a third party, because you know that then we're concerned about data security, about our customers, about our clients. So it makes sense to just build the app from scratch using the traditional coding method. Sure, or if there was a much more safer system out there, then that would make a lot more sense. So guys, it was definitely fun. It was a very fun experience. I've never created an app in my life before. This was a fun experience. I love that AI opens doors. So I did not publish the app, but I do know they have capabilities to publish the app. I think it's an entire process on its own. I can show you guys where you need to go to publish the app. To publish the app, I think you can just go to publish, and then you can select whether you want to publish on Android or you want to publish on iOS, which is Apple iPhone. Assuming you want to test and publish, of course there's like different processes that you need to go through to publish that. I did not personally go through that, but if you wanted to actually create an app and go through that process, then good for you. Comment down below how it goes. I'm interested. I'm actually interested to know. The pros is you have full access to all of the features that they have in the trial mode, and I love that the trial is for 30 days, so you can really test and try different things. You can try different features. You can connect to different features. And I tried something for the first time, Zapier. Like, I didn't even know what Zapier meant until I started like creating an app, and now I can add that to my portfolio, because yes, I did create an app. I feel like it's very easy, very simple, and very easy platform. That's definitely another pro, because I think that is very essential, especially to people that don't have coding experience. Try it out for a long time. I think 30 days is a lot of time to know whether you want to continue with something or not. App building is definitely an interesting thing to pursue, especially if you're trying to expand your portfolio. This is the world of AI. There's a lot of capabilities now that were, you know, impossible before. So definitely explore that if you're really looking to create an app. In conclusion, I encourage you to try creating an app. You don't have to use GoodBarber. There's a lot of no-code app softwares out there that you can try. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, or if you've created an app before with a no-code software, please comment down below. Thank you, and bye.